Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open the Tally app. First, find the Tally application icon on your device. It might be on your home screen, in your app drawer, or within a folder. Make sure your device has enough free storage, typically at least 100 megabytes, and a stable internet connection for the best experience. This ensures smooth operation and access to all features. Let's get started with the simple steps. Upon tapping the Tally app icon, you might see a loading screen for a few seconds. If it's your first time, the app will likely ask for certain permissions, like access to your device's storage or notifications. Please grant these to ensure full functionality. You may also need to create a new account or log in with existing credentials. This usually takes less than 1 minute to complete. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll land on the Tally app's main dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll typically find a navigation menu, often located at the bottom or side, with options like Home, Reports, or Settings. The search bar is usually at the top, allowing you to quickly find specific data or functions. This design helps you efficiently manage your tasks. Sometimes, you might encounter minor issues. If the Tally app isn't opening or crashes, a simple restart of your device often resolves it. If the app feels sluggish, try clearing its cache through your device's application settings. This can free up valuable memory. Always ensure your Tally app is updated to the latest version, as updates frequently include bug fixes and performance enhancements. These steps usually fix over 90% of common problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.